To connect Cash App to Robinhood, you need to have both accounts set up and ready for use. Start by opening the Robinhood app on your mobile device and navigating to the Transfers page. Tap on Linked Accounts and then select Add New Account. Choose Cash App as the account type and you will be redirected to the Cash App login page. Enter your Cash App login credentials to authorize the connection between Cash App and Robinhood. After authorizing the connection, you will be asked to select the type of account you want to link. Either brokerage or bank account. Since Cash App is primarily used for sending and receiving money, you will likely choose to link it as a bank account. Once the account is linked, you can transfer funds from Cash App to Robinhood or vice versa. To do this, navigate to the Transfers page on the Robinhood app. Select the linked Cash App account and enter the amount you want to transfer. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your Cash App account before initiating the transfer. Also, be aware of any transfer limits or fees associated with moving funds between the two accounts. It is essential to note that linking Cash App to Robinhood may take a few days to complete, and you may be required to verify your identity and account information during the process. By following these steps, you can easily connect your Cash App account to Robinhood and start transferring funds between the two platforms. Always review the terms and conditions of both services before linking your accounts, to ensure you understand any potential fees or risks involved.